installers, OutBack has an exciting opportunity for you to train with the solar plus storage experts. Mark, did you want to tell me a little bit about these trainings we have coming up at the end of January?
Yeah, absolutely. What we're trying to do is get a quick one-day comprehensive training in on how to use OutBack Power's SystemEdge packages to meet the UL 9540 requirements for energy storage systems for California.
And why is it important for installers to attend?
Well, as you know, California's been experiencing a lot of problems with their grid, mostly in the public safety power shutdowns around the fires. And people are finding out that when the power goes out, if they have a simple grid-tied system without storage, the power goes out. So what we would like to teach is how to add storage to those systems using OutBack's SystemEdge packages. They're really easy to order, quick to install, meet the UL 9540 requirements, and we'll get you in and out of class in a day and make you experts.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Our training dates are January 21st in Sacramento and January 23rd in Thousand Oaks. We'll be sure to link the registration below and make sure that you sign up as soon as possible as space is limited.